Engineering, luxury, and sophistication define the 2026 PREVOST Liberty Motorhome. Liberty Coach's traditional elegance and painstaking craftsmanship are combined with PREVOST's legendary performance and structural strength in this custom-built luxury RV for discriminating travelers. The 2026 model is perfect for long-distance luxury travel or full-time living with its luxury amenities, sophisticated technology, and high-end motor coach materials. Signature power optimal design. The 2026 PREVOST Liberty Motorhome is gorgeous. The sleek body has chrome trim, metallic highlights, and multi-stage bespoke paint. The PREVOST X345 and H345 have sturdy chassis. The coach's exterior is kept, but button-activated slide-outs improve its inside. Secret and hidden stores store luxury, tools, and equipment. Wheeled private jet interior. It will feel like a yacht or penthouse. Custom interior design uses rare timbers, imported stone, leather, and high-gloss lacquer. Every part of this transportable wonder has magnificent flooring, ambient lighting, and craftsmanship. Lounge, Shark living room. The stylish living room, your main salon, is large enough for entertaining and relaxing. Hand-stitched leather couches and chairs. Custom fireplace. Motorized blackout and translucent shades. 65-inch 4K OLED smart TV with surround sound. Heated porcelain tile flooring. Configurations for LED flames, panorama windows with double panes offer great insulation and views. Dining kitchen chef and gourmet kitchens have high-end appliances and functional designs. Miele convection, microwave oven, sub-zero refrigerator with ice maker, Gaggenau induction cooktop, dishwasher drawer, deep stainless steel sink, quartz granite counters with concealed lighting. Dining, working, and entertaining are easier with extended dinettes and bar-height tables. Private Master Bedroom Liberty Motorhome's bedroom suite offers a peaceful retreat with a king-size bed, comfortable mattress, adjustable base, and 2 wirelessly charging nightstands. Cedar-lined full-height wardrobes, smart lighting, HVAC zoning, and mood presets, and a ceiling-mounted smart TV with surround sound. The main cabin features sliding privacy doors and a nice spa and restroom. The coach's rear bathroom has a vessel sink vanity with a touchless faucet and mirror lighting, heated floors and towel racks, and a big walk-in rainfall shower with tiling and illuminated shelving. Private lighting, linen storage, and luxurious fixtures. Modern, eco-friendly bidet. Dressing rooms may contain full-length mirrors and stacking washers and dryers. Smart integration and tech. A 360-degree video system. Remote climate and security management. Whole coach Wi-Fi with satellite internet. Voice control for lights, shades, temperature, and media, and an iPad-based coach management system are available in the 2026 Liberty. Due to its solar panels, lithium battery pack, and industrial-grade generator, this bus can run off the grid. Ride, safety, performance. The 2026 Liberty, based on the PREVOST, has ADAS, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic braking, collision warning, blind spot monitoring, smooth air ride suspension, and a driver's lounge or larger co-pilot seats. It's smooth, powerful, and quiet when driving or riding. In conclusion, the 2026 PREVOST Liberty Motorhome is luxurious and well-built. The best of performance, technology, and elegance are in it. The Liberty Motorhome enriches every adventure, whether you're living there full-time, going far, or just enjoying the road.